What if the most powerful AI chips in the world relied on a single Chinese company? What if NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI data centers were powered by a technology that could make or break the global AI race? And what if this company, until now, was almost completely unknown to the world? Wherever you're watching from around the world, welcome to StockScope AI. If you want deep insights into tech, AI, and the markets shaping our future, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Last week, NVIDIA quietly released its supplier list for the 800 VDC power architecture that drives its AI data centers. And one name jumped out, Innoscience. The only Chinese company on that list, and one that specializes in GaN or Gallium Nitride power devices. Gallium Nitride might not sound as flashy as AI or quantum computing, but make no mistake, this material is critical. It's smaller, faster, and more efficient than traditional silicon. And in the AI world, efficiency equals speed, and speed equals dominance. According to the Economic Daily News, Innoscience's third-generation GaN chips provide NVIDIA with a complete GaN power supply solution, from 800 volts down to the GPUs themselves, covering voltages from 15 volts to 1200 volts. Bloomberg reports this partnership has been in the works for some time, driven by Innoscience's unmatched high-power GaN technology. But here's the catch. The deal is still in testing. No formal orders yet. So why is the market paying attention? Because even the possibility of such a supply deal signals something much bigger. NVIDIA is diversifying and betting on Chinese innovation. Of course, this isn't without drama. As E! News notes, there's a legal dispute between Innoscience and Infineon Technologies, a longtime NVIDIA partner, over GaN patents. So, adding Innoscience to the supply chain could be seen as a bold, risky move that might ruffle a few feathers in the semiconductor world. But, risk has never scared NVIDIA before. In fact, it's often where they find their edge. Founded back in 2017 by Dr. Luo Weiwei, who was actually a former NASA chief scientist, Innoscience quickly moved to dominate the GaN space. The company is the first in the world to mass-produce 8-inch GaN wafers. That's 80% more output and 30% lower cost compared to traditional 6-inch wafers. They've invested in ASML lithography tools, boosted production efficiency, and positioned themselves perfectly as rivals like TSMC plan to exit the GaN wafer foundry business by 2027. Since going public in December 2024, raising $180 million, they've set their sights on increasing wafer production from 12,500 per month to 70,000 by 2029. This isn't just growth, it's an industrial-scale sprint. What most people don't see is the web of suppliers behind Innoscience's success. China's JCET likely handles packaging, Sanan Optoelectronics provides high-purity sapphire substrates, and Naura Technology supplies critical MOCVD equipment. Together, they're building a domestic semiconductor ecosystem capable of challenging global dominance. AI data centers need power, lots of it. NVIDIA's 800-volt high-voltage architecture demands extreme efficiency. GaN makes this possible in smaller, cooler, more efficient packages. If Innoscience delivers, it could give NVIDIA a performance edge in AI compute, while signaling a geopolitical shift in supply chain strategy. So, will this Chinese GaN giant reshape NVIDIA's future? Or will legal disputes, supply chain risks, and political tensions hold it back? One thing's for sure, the AI race just got a new, very unexpected player. What do you think? Is NVIDIA's bet on Innoscience a game changer or a gamble? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into the companies quietly shaping our technological future, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.